Today I'm going to show you 4 genius tricks when it comes to boiling water. Let's see if you know all 4. Looks like somebody needs to be doing their dishes around here behind the scenes. By the way, love me some taco holders. Let's get some water boiling. It's after lunch, and let me know, by the way, does this happen to you? These dishes are clean and we fight back and forth about whose turn it is to empty the dishwasher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Ooh, yeah, let's get it nice and toasty. Give this video a thumbs up if you get any of these right. When possible, use a larger, wider pot rather than a smaller, more narrow pot. Why, you ask? Because a larger pot allows the bubbles to spread out, and then they can pop their merry way without spilling. This pot, less surface area. This is especially helpful when you are cooking things that contain milk because there's a protein in here that stabilizes those bubbles, and we don't want those bubbles stabilized now, do we? Pasta is also resistant to those bubbles, causing them to stack up and boil over. Number 2, add a dash of oil or butter, just like this, especially with starchy foods such as potatoes or pasta. The oil remains at the top and breaks the surface tension, helping to pop those bubbles. Oh yeah, oil, do your thing, girl. Number 3, lower your temperature. We don't want to do that though, but when you lower your temperature, you have a slower rolling boil with fewer bubbles. But we're going to keep that heat hot. Look at all those bubbles forming for our 4th and final trick when it comes to a pot of water. You can impress your friends and family with all these tips and tricks. Now, you may have heard of placing a wooden spoon over the top of your pot to prevent it from boiling over, but do you know why? And yes, this does work. Ding, ding, ding for you if you said that wood is more heat resistant than metal, so it stays cooler. When the bubbles reach it, they pop. Wider pot, lower the heat, use a little oil or butter, and add your wooden spoon. Now, if you want to see some amazing kitchen organization tips and tricks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.